Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's video we're going to make vegan French toast with a high protein stir fry. Alright, so what we're going to do first is go ahead and get started by turning on the oven. Alright, so we're going to put this burner on medium for this one, and then for this one right here we're going to place it on like a low heat medium. Okay, just it's on. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and grab our ingredients while everything is warming up. So let me bring y'all back here so y'all can see some of the things that I'm getting. Okay, so for the protein, what we're going to do is grab some Tofurkey sausages. Alright, so that's the majority of the protein where you're going to get it from. Alright, as well, we're going for the stir fry, we're going to grab some garlic. Alright, some mushrooms, which is high in vitamin D. Also some bell peppers, which is very high in vitamin C. We're going to grab some grape tomatoes and also a purple onion. Alright, so this is going to be our stir fry. And then we're going to also grab for our French toast, alright, some whole wheat flour. Alright, also some almond milk, which is really good. Some bread. I'll grab this one right here, some Ezekiel bread, and I believe that's it for now. Okay. Oh, also some syrup. All right, from Servivita, some calorie-free syrup. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead, bring it back to here. All right, so y'all can see some of my preparations. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a bowl. All right, this first thing we need, because we're going to go ahead and make the batter for the French toast. Okay, so for the French toast we need a half a cup. All right, just like this, and we're just going to go ahead and put it in here. Half a cup of whole wheat flour, dump it in there. We're going to grab at least half a cup of almond milk. Maybe just a tiny bit more. All right. And then what we're going to do is grab some seasoning. So let me move the camera over here so y'all can see what I'm getting. We're going to grab some cinnamon. Cinnamon is really good because it helps with controlling your blood sugar levels. Also some baking powder. This is going to give it the fluffiness. Some, oops, dropping things. Some baking powder, all right, and also some stevia or truvia. Okay, you can use any type of sweetener that you want. So just a little bit here, all right. Then we're going to grab a small spoon. Now, when it comes to like the baking powder and the baking soda, you just need a little bit, okay? Just a small bit, not a lot, okay? It's less than a whole teaspoon, okay? So I'm doing like a quarter of this mixing spoon, all right? So that's pretty much it, all right? And just like I said before, it's going to help it keep everything fluffy. And then some cinnamon for our blood sugar levels, all right? And then also, almost forgot. Add two more things. Some almond extract, just a tad a bit, just like that, and vanilla extract. So almond and vanilla extract. And you don't have to use a lot because it's an extract, okay? It's very, very potent. All right. So that's pretty much it. Now we're going to mix everything up together. You want to get an egg beater. Put everything back. And then you want to mix the batter, okay? Now you want it kind of like not too watery, but not too thin. So if you see how mine is, if y'all can see this, this is the consistency of it, all right? So you want the bread to soak into it. Now, I want to go ahead and grab some olive oil, all right? Olive oil spray, because we're going to use that for the iron pan. And this is going to be enough just for two, okay? Now, when it comes to the macronutrients, This is something for somebody who's trying to put on muscle or does like a high endurance sport, because this is a high carbohydrate food, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this with the bread, all right? And you don't wanna just put it in there. You wanna kind of like press it a little bit so it can soak, okay? Okay, you want everything to kind of soak into the bread a little bit. And this is probably enough for like, probably for like 4 slices, okay? But today we're just gonna make 2. Go ahead and spray this inside. And go ahead and rest it on top, okay? Just like that, okay? Now, as that is cooking, now what we're gonna do is go ahead and work on our stir fry, all right? So, we're gonna go ahead and grab the rest of our ingredients. The tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, garlic, all that stuff. We're gonna place it right, I guess we'll place it on the other side of the kitchen, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and prep our things. So go ahead and get a knife. We're gonna go ahead, this is already on. Go ahead and put some oil in here. All right. So what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to stir fry like all the vegetables first, okay? Bring out some of the aroma and some of the flavor. So I want to go ahead and rinse out my mushrooms first. All right. Rinse out my mushrooms, and like I said before, this is great for vitamin D. All right. So go ahead and chop that up. All right. Next is our onions. Onions are great for the gut, the immune system. All right. Go ahead and peel it. And it's a great antioxidative food as well. So when it comes to antioxidants, you want to get food that has a lot of dark colors, okay? The darker it is, the more antioxidants it has, all right? That's just a rule of thumb. And this is about almost a cup, pretty much a cup full of onions, all right? And I'll have the description and all the like the measurements of the foods in the description box in this video, okay? And as well, I'll be posting this video on my website, bodyhdfitness.com, all right? And y'all can see all the ingredients there. Same thing when it comes to all my other meal prep hack videos, okay? Everything's on my website, bodyhdfitness.com, all right? So now we're done with that. As you can hear, this is cooking, all right? We're gonna go ahead and bring the heat up just a tiny bit more on that. Bring the heat up a little bit on this, all right? So we can save some time. We're gonna grab some grape tomatoes, all right? And when it comes to nutrients of tomatoes, they do rise when you cook them, all right? Rinse these out. Go ahead and put our tomatoes in the pan. Just like that. And as y'all can see, I'm doing 2 things at once. I'm cooking the French toast and doing the stir fry, okay? This is how you save a lot of time in the kitchen when it comes to cooking, all right? Doing things simultaneously. And in the beginning, it might be hard because you're just trying to learn how to cook certain foods, but the more you do it, the faster you become, all right? So we're going to go ahead, put that here. Turn the heat up just a tiny bit more. We're going to go ahead and grab our spatula. Go ahead, stir this around. And then we're going to go ahead and add our garlic in there. Oh shit. Alright, so we don't have any garlic, alright? So we're just going to avoid that and grab. And then for this, go ahead and check that. And go ahead and flip it, all right? So I want to bring the phone over so y'all can see later. But let me clean this up. And then for this, I'm going to add seasoned salt, actually. I do have seasoned salt. this has garlic in it, just to add some flavoring. The last thing we're going to do is go ahead and get our protein sausages, okay? So we're going to do our Tofurkey, all right? Pull one out. One of these are about a good 30 grams of protein, all right? I want to go ahead and grab a separate chopping board and cut this on the side. You don't want to chop these sausages on a wooden one because that's going to actually stain your chopping board, okay? Especially if you have a wooden one like myself. So I'm just chopping these in small little slices, all right? And I'm going to add this to the stir fry. Just like that. So now it's time to clean up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add our plate. And this is like the worst way of putting something in. Okay, so this is how our food looks like, okay? Looks just like that. That's our meal prep hack, okay? Like I said, it's for building muscle. Then you want to use our pancake syrup, 0 calorie free. All right, go ahead and pour that on top. All right, and you are done. All right. So this is my fast meal prep hack for French toast and a high protein stir fry. With that said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Definitely try it out. All the ingredients and macronutrients will be in the description box for the video. And like I said before, just go, if you want to find more information on meal prep hacks, definitely check my IGTV or go to byhdfitness.com. But with that said, definitely try it out and hope y'all enjoy.